we're gonna do a backpack tour. Well, first we got this little girl named Patricia. We got some lip products. Oh, a lip and then a pencil, and we got my gumball machine with a juicy bum bum. Anyways, then we have some tiny sunglasses, and we got this with like cringy photos from 2 years ago. We got a highlighter, a marker, another pencil, and a eraser. And on the side we also have my Labubu. And then we have my diary. We got a book in there. We got a Pez. We got a watch that has chocolate all over it because I don't know. We got all my books, my pencil case, my chips, and then we got all my perfumes in there. I got my hairspray. I got my Sabrina Carpenter Sweet Tooth. Got this one from Bath and Body Works. It's like a cactus one, and then I got a blonde vanilla one. And that's my backpack tour, so bye!